My name is Darren Joseph from HEJ.tax. We're the team that seeks to demystify that sometimes confusing world of cross-border tax. And today we have the honor and the privilege of having a conversation with Mr. Blake Harris. Blake, would you introduce yourself, please?
Thanks so much for having me on your show. I'm an asset protection attorney. I focus on offshore planning, so I help clients throughout the world, but most of my clients are here in the United States where lawsuits are rampant. We set up offshore structures, trusts, and LLCs to help keep our clients' assets protected from any type of lawsuit, litigation, or divorce.
But can you tell us why asset protection is so important?
Well, here in the United States, by many standards, we have the world's most litigious society. There are millions of lawsuits filed every single year. There are billions of dollars ordered to be paid out in judgments every few days. It's very easy to get hit with a lawsuit if you're out there doing business. Very easy to get hit with a lawsuit in personal life. And it's a very easy place to bring a lawsuit. Attorneys are out there advertising, drumming up business for clients who may not otherwise be interested in bringing a lawsuit. You can bring a case on a contingency fee, so you don't have to pay anything. We have a system where the loser generally doesn't have to pay anything. And it's so expensive to defend a case that a lot of people end up just settling a case, even if it's a complete BS case, because it's just easier to pay somebody off than it is to actually defend a case. And what happens is a lot of people end up becoming the victim of legal extortion. Without protection, freedom does not exist. What I do is I help ensure that you're free to enjoy your money, live your life, be confident about your retirement by setting up an asset protection strategy.
Fantastic. Blake, if anybody wants to speak to you and your team more about these opportunities, how would they best reach you?
Social media, Blake Harris Law, Instagram, TikTok, X, Threads, Facebook, LinkedIn. Blake Harris Law on every single platform. TikTok's the biggest one where I have over 250,000 followers. Post typically a few times a day on every single platform. I'm very active on social media. I very much stand behind what I say. You can also check out my website, blakeharrislaw.com. Or if you're interested in actually setting up a trust, give me a call. My phone number is 833-ASK-BLAKE. Otherwise, thank you so much for having me on your show. This was a pleasure.